Finally got the bus started. Amber has absolutely no idea. I want to take this baby home and wait for her to come back home, try to get her reaction on camera. So let's go. Getting out of here. You guys have no idea how excited I am right now. Look at that. Just parked in our driveway. Surprise! Oh, baby.
Welcome back to another video. Today we are on our way to go get some metal sheets to cover up the windows that we don't want showing. And we'll meet you there.
Alright, we are back at the house. I have no idea how we were able to fit that insulation in there, but we have 3 sheets of that. This is gonna be used for the windows, and then we also bought sheet metal. This is gonna be arriving like at 3 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock right now. And also we got these pieces of wood that we're gonna put all along the, I'll just show you in a little bit. Insulation right here, lay down the floor because we're gonna cut it to fit right here in the windows that we're not gonna use. So yeah, simple stuff. Cut a square, put it right here, put sheet metal on top, and that's how you cover the windows. The sheet metal has not arrived, but it'll be here soon, and we'll show you how to put that on too. So this is how the bus is gonna look with the windows that we're taking out. So this one's gonna be out, that one's gonna be out, that's gonna be out. Well, you get the memo. All right, the metal's here.
What do you say?
Let's get cutting. Let's go. All right, let's see if it fits. Perfect!
Woo!
Alright guys, so pro tip, sometimes these are tough to get out, especially when you already have the sheet metal behind it, but sometimes you just need to do changes and stuff because it looks ugly on the outside. So what you do is you just grab a hammer and pull like together, and it should be easy to pull out that way. After you take this off, you just gotta clean down here. You have to scrape all the extra stuff, all the extra glue right here, and if not, it'll be harder to fit the sheet metal in there with the window. It's hard enough by itself. Now, if you don't take this out, it would be harder.
Perfect.
Perfect. Now grab your window. If I have three hands, it'd be better.
Alexa off.
And now push. Hard. There.
Oh, you got this cable.
No, no, no. All right. All right. How does it look? Let's take a look in the outside. All right, 6 more. Oh, sure. You're just taking a chill.
Mishu. Oh,
all right, and here's another pro tip. When you are connected to an extension cord or anything like that, and you plug it in, if you like have the grinder and you're just using it, and like this is gonna happen often enough to where it's gonna get you pissed off. So what you do is just cross it, tie a knot right here, right there, and then you plug it back in. And now the more you pull, the closer it's gonna get, and it's not gonna get unplugged again. So that's one tip. And another tip is that put these 2 boards right here like that, and that way when you put the sheet metal up here, you'll be able to cut right here without cutting the table. And when you go to cut on the side, you just pull it back and you're able to cut right here, and you have your square. That's how I did it, because we have no choice. We don't have a workbench or anything like that, so just work with what you get.
This side is finished with blocking the windows. Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, I can't complain. Alright, let's go compare to the other side where we have all of the windows.
All the windows we do.
So as you can see, we are done covering up the windows, but now we have to seal them up, make sure no water gets in there. So I'm gonna be putting this silicone thing all at the bottom and probably up there and like up there. I don't know, I haven't decided that yet. Probably just at the bottom, and then I have to do it in all of them, and to really make sure it's waterproof. It's gonna take me a couple minutes. While I seal up the windows here, I just wanted to take some time to let you know that we do spend a lot of time and effort into making these videos in order to help people out with their Skoolie conversions. And we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel and smash the like button so that we can continue to create more content for you. Also, let us know down in the comments below if you have any questions, or just let us know what you would like to see more of in this channel. Thank you so much. Alright, it's done. Good thing about the bus here is that I can get up here to get the Christmas lights up here. Let's do a jump here. Alright. Let's get down. And I'll show you real quick how it looks, the finished product. Alright, so it looks kind of like that. Kind of looks ugly, but once it's dry, I'm gonna try to fix it up and we're good to go. I don't think no water can get through over here and then down and then up into the inside of the bus. I really don't believe that's possible. So that's why I decided just to put the silicone here down at the bottom so no water can get in there, and yeah, I'll fix it when it's dry. So for the ones wondering which metal we're using to cover up the windows is 26 gauge galvanized metal. You just go to your closest metal selling place and we'll just get it there. 26 gauge. You don't want it too thin because you'll bend bad. This one bends bad, but not that bad. And if you can get it to, if you can get someone else to cut it for you, that'll save you a lot of work. I mean, you can just send the metal over to wherever and get it cut, so you don't have to go through all this. If not, you will definitely cut yourself, and you'll take a lot of time doing it. Probably break your back, and yeah. Alrighty guys, that was it for this video. Thank you for staying until the end with us. On our next video, we will be building the lower parts of the walls. So if you want to see that, just hit the bell and stay tuned so you don't miss any content. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays.